I chose to pursue a career in manufacturing because of my aptitude to work with my hands and work around other people that create something. The student development program helped me get my job at Boeing, allowing me to see what kind of machining is done here at Boeing, Helena. My current job at Boeing is a CNC specialist, so I'm working on different projects just as an operator, setting up, tearing down fixtures, working on setups for the 3-spindle gantries, using a crane to set up and operate different raw material, doing in-process checks on current running parts, maintaining tools. Safety and quality at Boeing, Helena, is one of the biggest things here. We prioritize safety over anything else. Working at Boeing is great. It's been a really positive experience, flexible scheduling. My advice to any students looking into any manufacturing careers, get after it, get it done. Once you do it, you feel accomplished.